Have you ever tried to ride a bicycle and drunk? Good Lord. Oh, what is that? The building. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, oh, oh. I'm falling through the world, people. Shit. Somebody save me. Oh, here we go. What happened? Where am I? Oh, what this dude's done. How you doing, buddy? And what the fuck? I mean, you know, let's see what happens. I think I am... let's get over here just to be sure. Let's hide in the bush. If you know me, it's the bush. Let's check in. Shit. Need to find a damn vehicle. How you doing, buddy? Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go see what we can find. What in the hell is that? It's like a tow truck just sitting in the middle of the road. I don't know. Okay, we got somebody in it. How you doing there, buddy? You just kind of hanging out or what?
Trying to figure out how to do this thing.
Ah, I understand. I hope you get
Hey,
it
you know how
situated.
to lower this tow hook?
No, I never drove a tow truck. I don't know.
Gotcha.
Hope you figured it out. But this dude on the bicycle. How you doing there, buddy? Oh, he's not talking. Well, I'll tell you what, let me, what if I can, oh shit, I just fell off and
Oh shit.
yeah, alright. Holy hell, I'm just gonna take his bicycle, maybe. Here we go. I stole a bicycle, people. Run away. Oh, don't hit the mailbox. Shit. Have you ever tried to ride a bicycle and drunk? Good Lord. Oh, what is that? Oh, let's just, oh, hang on now. I might not be the best bicycler, but, huh. Ain't nobody around, and, let's just kind of cruise over here and see what's going on. He may be doing some fishing. And, well, I'll tell you what, that's one pretty orange car. My favorite color. And there we go. They left that shit unlocked and we're going. Yeah, we may be taking a long damn... Shit. That's the reason why I hate Mirror Park. Because it's like a damn endless hell. Alright, let's see. So we get the hell out of here. It's like a damn maze of nothing. I'll tell you what, this is that's a pretty nifty car here. Oh shit. Oh, I'll tell you what, let's just go on. Anybody says anything? How you doing, buddy? Oh shit. Backing up. Tell you what, this is a pretty nifty little vehicle. I'm gonna actually have to save this shit. Oh, I was just pulling it in and looking around at some different modifications. I almost don't want to go out. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and get on the motorcycle Hector always keeps for me. We may be able to just haul ass out of here without getting blown up. Well, alrighty, there we go. We're on the top of the world, people. So I just have to do the best I can here. Just I reckon launch the hell off here and see what happens. And shit, I got freaking holy hell. What the hell? I'm on the damn mother of all the building. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, oh, oh. I'm falling through the world, people. Shit. Somebody save me. Oh, here we go. What happened? Where am I? Holy hell. And we're on the hunt again. Look at this dude. What the hell? I'll tell you what, we hadn't been up into and give her a blast. Yeah, I'm not worried about red lights. If I hear blue lights, I might pull over, but at the moment, I'm just gonna let her rip. Oh shit! Oh yeah. What'll she do? No, she won't. So let's just tuck her in and let's go. I mean, 150 is a rule. Holy hell. I'm only doing 154 at the most, so. I don't know what the hell that was. It looked like a pumpkin. Oh shit. A little sideways. And we'll be civil through here. Wowzer, why does she keep going sideways on me? Oh, okay, that's my fault. Yeah, here we go. Stop the tracks and Kind of hiding the bush. You know, my head's sticking out. Yeah, let's just get in it. Hell, I'll probably get shot or beaten down or whatever, but let's see what's happening. Let's take the long way around. Wowzer, that dude was hauling ass. Oh shit. Got cars here, let's see. Oh, that looks like a... Oh, hell. People running crazy everywhere. That dude beating on that dude's car. You got a motorcycle here and a dude sitting on it. You alright there, buddy? It's a good looking bike. And he's off. Just thought I'd check on him, but he's off. Let's go into my nemesis here and just say I'm gonna get some gas. Well, there's a dude riding a car. What happened? Where'd he go? Oh shit. Where the hell is shots fired from? Good lord, that dude just jumped a building. That dude's shooting the shit out of everybody. Oh hell. Get the hell out of here. Oh shit. I dodged them fuckers. You got automatic gunfire, you get the hell out. Oh, where that dude went. He should have been deader than four hells. He got his ass lit up. There we go. And then we got a car stuck in the 24/7. All up in the doors. And here we go. How you doing there, buddy? And he disappeared. And that looks like a damn go-kart. Wowzer. That's impressive. What you got on that go-kart? That's gotta be a shift cart. That's pretty impressive. Oh shit. What the hell? Get the hell away. Good lord, there's people shooting. Shit, I'm fucked. I've got to get the hell out of here. Who the hell is shooting? Who the hell is shooting? I don't know what the hell's going on. Some dude shooting with an automatic rifle. What the hell? This is mass chaos. I don't know what this dude's doing. How you doing, buddy? And what the fuck? I mean, you know... got a dude on a fucking shift card. Got some asshole shooting. See, this is what I'm talking about.
I'm lagging. The trip line sick. Nice.
What the hell?
Shark, you good? You good? Someone
Yeah.
shooting at here.
Damn, this dude's got a bullet hole in his kidney. He's still walking.
Oh. Okay, the heck? It's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Mopar, baby. Man, let's see.
Good lord. I was looking for chaos and I got it. Here we got Michael Myers running around in a green jacket here. How you doing, buddy?
What, me?
I don't know what the hell's going on with this Chevrolet truck. Oh shit, this is on a tractor. An old ass tractor.
Looks like someone's dead. Excuse me, sir. Are you all right?
Well, I'm just kind of laying there. I got 4 bullets in my ass and I'm just laying here.
Ah, good luck with that. Gonna go sing on my tractor now because this guy's okay.
Good luck with that. Oh, boy. Oh, this dude's got purple. And there he goes on his tractor. Man, the shit is blowing up. Alright, there we go, people. Yeah. Go ahead and take that Chevrolet. No big deal. There he goes. Fat man in a tow truck. He's just gonna go ahead and run over my feet. Okay, no, he's gonna run the hell away. Oh, shit, we got... What in the hell? We got massive chaos going again. What the hell's the deal with these damn white little boxes? What the hell are you going? Holy shit, oh, there's the bastard in the shifter cart. Good lord. That dude's dead. He should be dead. Oh yeah, you should be in flames.
you okay?
What the hell? Dude, I'm just waiting on the ambulance.
Alright.
The hell is all this?
What the hell?
Honestly, I have no clue what happened to him.
Good lord. I see I'm stuck with a damn tow truck and the Chevrolet and can't see down the road. Oh, there we go, we got gunfire.
Man, you okay?
I'm just
Oh,
waiting on an
shit.
ambulance.
I can try to help you.
Well, I got 4 bullets in my ass and I believe the ambulance is the only thing that's gonna help.
You got 4 bullets in your ass.
That's what happens around here. You better run away.